Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy 4 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. Now, there's two ways to factory reset these. Okay, one way, if you have the Samsung Wearable app, you can just go to the settings and reset that way. Or if you don't use it, or you can just do a hard reset on this by itself. So if I want to go ahead and factory reset these without using the Samsung Wearable app, they say what I have to do is go to my settings. I'm going to go to connections. And then I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, and then previously this phone was, this earbuds were paired to this phone here. So I have to first unpair this, okay? So I'll click on that settings right there. I'll unpair it. If you're on an iPhone, it's like forget this device. On TV, it may say remove or delete, but anyway, I'm going to unpair. There, okay? Now, once I do that, and I open this up, it should automatically go into pairing mode, where it blinks three colors, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. If it doesn't, just go back here, that little button right there, just press and hold for 4 or 5 seconds and just wait until it starts blinking. Wait, there we go. Now it's blinking those three colors, and now it's back into pairing mode, and then you're able to connect back to your same device or another device if you wish.